It's Margarita, and today I'm going to tell you all about the newest release from Lolita Lempicka, Mon Eau. Y'all guessed it. Yes, another Macy's haul. I really like getting fragrances from Macy's. I like Macy's a lot. They don't carry a lot of niche brands, but if you're looking for designer fragrances, I recommend Macy's. This video is not sponsored, but I'm all about telling y'all where you can find some good stuff. So let's talk about this Lolita Lempicka fragrance, shall we? The boxing is kind of, it's girly, borderline juvenile. The inside of it has this cool little star that's, plastic's in the way. You can see that. But the bottle is so cute. It kind of looks like a poison apple. That's what her bottles look like to me. They're super cute. They do look a little cheap, I'll give you that. They look like something you can find at Five Below. Like some of the knockoff fragrances. It's really not a differentiating factor, the appearance. However, the price tag is not very cheap. I forget how much this was, but I know it wasn't cheap. Let me find a spot here and spritz some of this on. My sleeve doesn't want to stay up. There we go. Atomizer is nice and direct and strong, so you get a good distribution. But let's see what the notes are. I'm gonna tell y'all now, this has a bunch of stuff going on in it. Anise, raspberry leaf, blackberry, lime, mandarin orange, lemon, chamomile, iris, black currant, jasmine sambac, rose, lily of the valley, violet, white musk, sandalwood. On paper, this sounds like a beautiful disaster. Should I say a not so beautiful disaster? They have spicy notes, fruity notes, floral notes, and a small amount of wood. And I don't know. On paper, this does not sound like it's going to smell good, but let's see. Yep, and it doesn't. This smells like tire treads. Tire treads. Tire treads. Yes, I said it. If you've ever smelled, or ever been at an auto repair shop and smelled the new tires, or like been to Pep Boys or something like that, this smells like tire tread. I kid you not, it smells like tires. Oh, this is terrible. Absolutely terrible. Let me know in the comments if this works for any of you that are watching and what kind of fragrances typically do, because my chemistry does not like it. It is picking up tire treads, and it could be the anise. Now, anise is the flavoring that goes into black licorice. So if you just picture that amplified, and then you got the raspberry, and raspberry is a very, very fickle note. You have to know what you're doing with raspberry, and I don't believe the perfumer did. Sorry to say that on this one. So, ooh, no, what else is in here that's probably causing a problem? Iris. So iris is known to be a powdery note. If you have a powdery fragrance, there's a strong chance that iris is in there. I don't like iris as it is. This actually is juicy. It's juicy, not powdery. Could be the violet, another purple flower. So purple flowers are hit or miss with me. Then you got these fruits in here. And then you have salty jasmine. Then you have musk and sandalwood, which are more sexier. No. Okay, no. No. I cannot stress no enough. And I can't stop smelling it because I can't believe how bad this smells. Yeah, so unless you are a mechanic or someone who likes to race cars and doesn't anymore and just miss the smell of the track, I do not recommend this fragrance. Again, it's all about body chemistry, so wear what you want when you want. But for me, oh, this is going back with the quickness. This smells so bad. Anywho, what's your favorite Lolita Lempicka fragrance? Because there are a couple that I like. There's one, I think it's El de Lolita, which is a great dupe for Xerjoff's Lyra. It's a beautiful orangey, chocolatey gourmand. Now, I'm all about the gourmand. So that's the only Lolita Lempicka fragrance that I like. Other ones just didn't quite work, and that one just took the cake. Ooh, Lord, that killed the party. But anywho, until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.